Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make and apply a full wrap vinyl on a beer can glass. You can find this design on Design Space. It's free if you have Cricut access. If you want this specific design and if the glass can that you're going to use is 16 ounces, it will be ready for you to access on Design Space. Link can be found in the description box, and I'm also going to show you the step-by-step how to find this project on Design Space. I'm going to use the pastel color matte vinyl sent to me by TeckWrap Craft. I'll put their link in the description box below. You can use the coupon code DIY by Cess with anything you want to buy from their site. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app, click these three lines, and then click Home, and then type in DIY by Cess and then enter. And then scroll down a little bit, and under community members, you'll find DIY by Cess. Click that, and then click this project. If you're not a Cricut Access member, you have to pay for the amount shown below before you can cut the file. But with Cricut Access, it's free. So click Edit a Copy. This template is from PK Oldham, and I just added another row and resized it for the 16 ounces beer can glass. So if you're using the 16 ounces beer can glass, you can just click Make It. Now, if you're using a different size of beer can glass, I'll show you how to resize it. So click Shapes, and then choose the square one. And I'm just going to move this down. Now, this is after you measured the surface of the glass can. So in my case, the surface of my glass can is 9.5 by 4 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and click the lock icon and change the width to 9.5 and the height to 4 inches. And then I'll just change the color, and then right click and then send to back. And then I'll click this lock icon and adjust it and fit it inside this box. Now I'm happy with that. We can now delete the square template that we used. So on the layers panel, we can click that and then just press delete on your keyboard. And then click Make It. Our design has two different colors. That's why we have two different colors of mattes. I'm going to move the pieces from matte number 2 to matte number 1 so that all of them are in the same matte. Now you could also change their color and make them all the same if you wanted to skip this step. So on matte number 2, click those three lines and then click Move Object. And then click the first matte and then click Confirm. And then I'm just going to place it here and then click Continue. Now, since I was using a TeckWrap Craft vinyl, I did a test cut and added a new material setting. So now I'll click Browse All Materials, and then I'll just type in the first few letters of my material, and then I'll click that, and then click Done. These are the vinyls that I'm going to use for this project. So we have Livable Green, Apricot, Sweet Pink, Piggy Pink, and Baby Blue. I'm just using this wax paper to align my transfer tape with the vinyl. You can also use a parchment paper. Make sure that you don't cover all of the images with wax paper. At this point, you can now cut the excess part of the transfer tape. And there you have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!